And well, as the chorus continues to grow against Pakistan and the world stands united with India in its fight against terrorism post the Pulwama attack, on your screens we are about to show you visuals from Tokyo where the Indian community held a protest outside the Pakistani embassy. In the last couple of days, there have been protests outside the Pakistani mission in various countries. A group of Indians gathered outside the Pakistani consulate in London to protest the attack on the CRPF convoy as well in Jammu and Kashmir. There were also similar protests in Toronto and Sydney, where the Indian diaspora demanded that Pakistan should stop sponsoring and harboring terror groups.